One man survived being shot at with 2 pistols. Both guns misfired. He then attacked his would-be assassin with a walking stick. That's not even the most ridiculous one on this list. These are the most bizarre assassination attempts in history. History is full of successful assassinations, but the failed ones are often far more interesting. A bomb goes off at the wrong moment. A poison doesn't work. A gun jams. Sometimes the target has no idea they nearly died at all. Today, we're counting down the most bizarre, most unbelievable failed attempts on famous lives. Number 5. Andrew Jackson, 1835. Both guns misfire. Andrew Jackson is the 7th President of the United States. On the 30th of January, 1835, he attends a funeral at the U.S. Capitol. A man named Richard Lawrence steps out of the crowd and raises a pistol. He pulls the trigger from close range. The gun misfires. Lawrence immediately raises a second pistol. That one misfires too. Jackson, who is 67 years old, does not step back. He charges forward and beats Lawrence with his walking stick. Bystanders have to pull the president away. Investigators later test both pistols. They fire perfectly. The odds of 2 pistols misfiring in sequence have been estimated at 1 in 125,000. Jackson later says he believes the hand of Providence protected him. Number 4. Franz Ferdinand, 1914. The assassination that took 2 tries. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand triggered the First World War. What most people don't know is how absurdly it almost didn't happen. The date, 28th June 1914. Location, Sarajevo. A group of 6 conspirators are positioned along the Archduke's planned route. The motorcade passes. One conspirator throws a bomb at the car. The bomb bounces off the roof, rolls under the next car, and explodes. 2 people are injured. Franz Ferdinand is unharmed. The other 5 conspirators do nothing as the motorcade speeds past. The assassination is a failure. Franz Ferdinand continues to City Hall, gives his speech, then decides to visit the injured in hospital. His driver doesn't know the route has changed. He makes a wrong turn. Directly onto the street where one of the conspirators, Gavrilo Princip, is standing. Princip is so surprised that he almost doesn't react. He steps forward and fires twice at close range. Both shots find their mark. Franz Ferdinand and his wife are dead within the hour. Within weeks, the world is at war, all because of a wrong turn. Number 3. Rasputin, 1916. The man who would not die. Grigory Rasputin was a mystic who had enormous influence over the Russian royal family. A group of Russian nobles decided he had to be eliminated. On the night of the 29th of December, 1916, they invited him to a private dinner. The food and wine were laced with enough cyanide to kill 5 men. Rasputin ate and drank heavily. Nothing happened. One of the conspirators panicked and shot Rasputin in the back. Rasputin fell. The conspirators left to prepare disposal of the body. When they returned, Rasputin was on his feet. He attacked one of the conspirators and tried to escape into the courtyard. He was shot 3 more times. He kept moving. The conspirators beat him with a rubber club. They wrapped him in a carpet and threw him through a hole in the ice into the Neva River. The autopsy would later show water in his lungs. He was still alive when they threw him in. The cause of death was drowning. Number 2. The CIA versus Fidel Castro, the never-ending attempts. The CIA made somewhere between 638 and 50 documented attempts to kill Fidel Castro. The exact number depends on who you ask. The methods are extraordinary. Exploding cigars, his favorite brand, rigged to detonate, a wetsuit laced with a deadly fungus, meant to be given to him for a diving trip, a poisoned diving suit, a different plan, same concept, a booby-trapped seashell placed on the ocean floor where he liked to dive, a pen rigged with a hypodermic needle filled with poison, powder designed to make his beard fall out, hoping to humiliate him. A pill slipped into his drink by a double agent, but it froze solid in the freezer and she threw it away. Castro later said, "If surviving assassination attempts were an Olympic sport, I would win the gold medal." He died in 2016, aged 90, of natural causes. Number 1. Operation Valkyrie. The bomb that moved, 1944. By 1944, a group of German officers had concluded that Hitler had to be stopped. Their plan: plant a bomb in Hitler's conference room. Colonel Klaus von Stauffenberg volunteers to carry it in. On the 20th of July 1944, Stauffenberg arrives at Hitler's headquarters, the Wolf's Lair in East Prussia. He places his briefcase containing the bomb under the conference table, close to Hitler. He makes an excuse and leaves the room. Moments later, another officer finds the briefcase in the way. He moves it to the other side of a heavy oak table leg. The bomb explodes. 4 people are killed. The solid oak table leg absorbs most of the blast directed at Hitler. Hitler survives with burst eardrums, a singed uniform, and minor burns. Stauffenberg is arrested and executed that night. The war continues for 9 more months. Historians estimate that a successful assassination in July 1944 could have saved millions of lives. All because someone moved a briefcase, 2 misfiring pistols, a wrong turn in Sarajevo, a briefcase moved 6 inches. History turns on the smallest moments. If you want more stories like these, subscribe. We have plenty more coming. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this one. See you in the next video.